Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate what Suzuki Rep says is normal for a 2014 250 AP motor. I will go forward and then put it in neutral. It will beep and show neutral on my gauge. Then I will push the stop button. The motor will shut off. All is well until I turn off the key. You will hear two very audible clanks come from the lower unit. Rep says it is searching for neutral and is normal for this engine. I can wait up to 20 seconds and still have it make this noise. I'm going to demonstrate it now. In forward, I am putting it in neutral. It beeped, it showed neutral. I am going to hit the stop button. The motor shut off. And now I will turn the key off.